Good morning, fifth graders. It is Thursday, September 10th, and just a short message again. Welcome to you. Obviously, we flip-flopped. Our cohorts are going to change today for the first time, so that means that our students who have been with us for the last couple of days are now going to be our distance learners, and our distance learners from Tuesday and Wednesday have now become our in-class people. So hopefully, this should be a relatively smooth day in a sense that we will all then have experienced both ways of learning. But I just want to give you a heads up because there are a couple of changes in terms of especially your math folder today. Math folder for this is both in person and at home. We are going to be doing our first Think Central assignment. Now, students who are in school today, you have not set up your Think Central accounts yet. You haven't bookmarked that. That will be our number one task for the day. But when we are done with that, there will be our first lesson or first practice assignment in our Think Central, just to get us used to it and to see what that looks like and how that's going to be used this year. So just be aware of that. When it says there's a little box that's not a green puzzle piece, that means it's going to be something that's outside of Schoology that you need to do. So just be aware of that and how that plays out. Other than that, you have your normal. There's going to be, this video is much shorter than yesterday's video, but there is a short video and a couple of puzzle pieces, the brain game and the exit ticket or the assignment that's going to go into the grade book for this lesson for today. So fairly straightforward, but definitely a new concept, a new idea with the Think Central. You should always be thinking about, if I've got more time and I'm looking for something to do, making sure that you're logging into Prodigy and playing that. That is a great tool for us to use. And right now you should all still be in kind of the best way to say it, the pre-test or the standardized test questions. So you're going to see a pretty wide range of questions, I would say, and it's going to place you and get you kind of grouped into what questions you're getting right and which ones you're getting wrong, and give me some data as to how we can use Prodigy best in the near future. Science today, for in class, we're very much just going to do what we were doing with our group on Tuesday and Wednesday. So going to be a lot of review in that sense. My kids who are at home, now is your opportunity to look into your folder in Schoology. And some of you already completed the task for today. It's going to be the folder that says Tuesday and Thursday, because you guys are going to be doing the same thing that they did on Tuesday. If you've already done it, great, but watch any videos that you can and complete anything that's in the folder for the Tuesday, Thursday folder, and just try to get that completed. We would love to have, and this is kind of our goal moving forward throughout the course of the week, guys, is we would love to have folders, week-long folders that are completed by the end of the week. So we don't have to drag that out through the next week, and I can close that folder out and unpublish it and make sure that it doesn't clutter things up or become, I've got folder after folder after folder listed there. So hopefully you guys will all be done, and I can look at that, and the grade book will be completed for that week, and we can move on. Obviously, this week is a lot of logistics, a lot of trying to figure out, and for us too, trying to figure out how the routine is going to work and what things are going to look like. So we understand if it isn't, and we understand if something doesn't go perfectly as planned. But hopefully the positive about the hybrid versus straight distance learning is you'll get a chance to ask us questions while you're in person if something doesn't go well. So don't freak out about it. Remember that you can ask questions, but that my office hours are between 10:15 and 12:15. I will get back to you as soon as I can during that stretch of time. If you respond to me or ask me a question earlier, that's great. I might get to it. But again, remember that I have a group of students sitting in front of me, even if you are at home for that day. So do your best with that, and we'll see how that goes. Again, I want to thank the group who was here the first 2 days. You did a fantastic job of learning the routine and figuring things out. And hopefully this group will do the same, the group that's in with us today. And we'll have a great setup and start to our school year. We can feel confident about how this is going to look for as long as we can do it for. All right. Have a great Thursday. We're getting towards the end of the week, guys. I know it's been a long week in terms of we're not used to this much up and about, but we're excited for how the school year is starting. Have a great day, guys.